Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come I'm eating everything instead of.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mos. If you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you look for the button wherever it may be, at the top or the bottom, on the left, right, wherever it may be. Go click it, subscribe to it, share, like, comment below. And today what I'm going to be doing for you guys is making a chocolate milkshake. The weather is beautiful out in London today, so I thought I need some cold milkshake to cool me down, and it's going to be amazing. Stay tuned. Right guys, the ingredients that I've got in order to make a milkshake is I got some banana, I got some chocolate, I got honey, I got milk, vanilla ice cream, and I have some ice. Did I mention banana? Okay, oh sorry, Oreos. This is not sponsored, so just some biscuits. Right, so what we're going to do is, very simply, open the biscuits up. Guys, I always say this, food, I don't make healthy food. If you're on a diet, I can't help you. Yeah? It's all about the good stuff. Right, I'm going to leave one or two in there just in case. We might make it look fancy a little bit. Anyway, get your bananas, just chop them out, or peel them out. Can do it better than a monkey, eh? And then, there you go. Just like that. You don't want to miss out any of the banana. Right, you got in there. Hands got sticky already from the bananas. And then, what you're going to do, get your chocolate. These, I don't have a proper blender, so I'm just going to chop these up to 3 pieces. Let me get one out as well. Make sure you wash your hands, guys. The only reason why I'm speeding this up because it's hot and I've got ice and I've got vanilla ice cream there, so I don't want it to melt and go watery. So, you got your honey. There you go. That's that. Now, vanilla ice cream. Where is it? So moist. There you go. You got a fair amount of ice cream. Get it in there. Now, I'm going to add more to it in a second, but right now I'm just going to whiz it down. I'm going to add some milk. Right, let me get this out of the way so I've got some space to do some maneuvers. Are you ready for this? Now, like I said, this isn't the proper thing to use. You need a proper blender, but since I don't have one, I'm just using this. It will still do the job, but a blender will do a better job, obviously. There we go. I hope this doesn't... So what I'm going to do, I should have thought about this earlier. I'll bring this to this side. Put this here so it doesn't make a mess. Put some more ice cream in there. Okay. You want to get everything in high quantity. Why? Because you want that good taste. It's called milkshake for a reason. I'm going to add the ice now too, guys. There you go. That one can go back in the bowl. And we are ready to... It's a thick milkshake, guys. Can you hear me now? Right, I think we are good to go. Everything is melted. That is cold, guys. Right, let me just... Okay. So now, you get a nice big cup and pour away. Look at that. Look at that, guys. That is how you make your chocolate milkshake. Tell you what, let me come to the front of the camera. I think it's too far. I'll show you justice. There you are. That's about it. Now, let me come down here so you guys can see me. That is good. See you next time, guys. That's good. I'm cool. I'm cooling down already. Bye.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come